if any function of f of t is a polynomial in t, then we have to write integration of e raised to minus st f of t dt as integration of f of t into e raised to minus st dt, and Bernoulli's generalized rule of integration by parts. That means this part f of t is a polynomial in t. Okay, this part is a f of t is a polynomial in t. First write polynomial equation, then after exponential function. Okay, integration of f t into e raised to minus st. Okay? Now you arrange it. Now Bernoulli's generalized rule of integration by parts is integration of u v dt. U is a polynomial and v is a exponential function. And this one is Bernoulli's generalized rule of integration by parts is u integration of v dt minus u dash integration of integration v dt dt plus u double dash integration of integration v dt 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 minus and so on. So how to remember this formula? Very simple. uv u dash u double dash u triple dash u double 4 raised to 4 like this. Integration one time, two times, three times, four times like this. Okay, plus minus plus minus plus minus is continue. Now this is a Bernoulli's generalized rule of integration by parts.